how you can prepare your hominy corn porridge. I found this Mexican style pre-cooked corn, and your girl is about to experiment for you all. I love to do things like these and to challenge myself. Welcome to my channel. On the screen you will see all the ingredients that I used. There is my water ready boiling. I used 2 tins of corn. One I blended, the other I added to the cornmeal and the one that I pureed. That is the mixture after I pureed it for a little. So I will add that to my boiling water after I seasoned a little with a little hint of Himalayan salt, and then I will add in my cornmeal mixture, and then I will add the final tin of corn. For porridge you can use coconut milk, evaporated milk, and a sweetened milk, which I'll be using tin condensed milk. In this video I used a tin of evaporated milk, and I also used some coconut milk in this to boil. After adding my cornmeal, I added the corns in it. And don't worry, although the corns look white, your girl got this. Please remember, the rule of the game is I'm just asking for you all to please watch my videos and like the videos. Thank you. Please remember to give your girl a like. Once I added everything in, I added my coconut milk and I mix this in. I allow this to boil under medium to low heat for at least 40 minutes. There you can see my porridge has the yellow color. I don't like hominy corn porridge with too much corn. This one doesn't have a lot of corn. So 45 minutes in, I added nutmeg additional, a little cinnamon, and I am about ready to start sweetening my porridge. You can also use cinnamon stick in it. It's up to you to use the powder, the cinnamon leaf. Make it how you would like it. This is another way how I do it. Here I'm about ready to add my tin milk in it, and I used 1 tin of milk. I did not add any sugar to it. You can sweeten to your liking. Let me tell you something, this was lit. This tasted really, really good. It's interesting, and I love to experiment on a new way to do something from the old way. I've made it before with the regular corn. The process is like long, it's tedious, and I really don't like a lot of corn. For this porridge, I did not add any flour. All I added in this was some cornmeal. I am mixing, and you mixed, taste as you go. And here is a pot of hominy corn porridge. We had this for our dinner. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. The texture, the taste, the corn, everything in it tasted excellent. Out of a 10, I would give it a 10. Thank you again for coming to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. See you soon in another video. Please remember to give your girl a like.